This is how I shave my beard using a trimmer. Let's get to it. Next, with your trimmer, you want the flat part against the skin, and you're gonna go down with the grain here. You're gonna follow that down. Now, when it comes to sideburns, depending on how long you want them or how short you want them, I prefer a straight edge. So try to line it up as straight as possible if you like the straight look. And then you're just gonna kind of press in with the trimmer. Next, I'm gonna show you how to get a closer shave than this with your trimmer if you don't wanna use a razor. If you want it closer than this using your trimmer, now you're gonna go up, which, by the way, is the same thing that you would do using a razor, okay? If you're shaving with a razor going down, okay, that gets it close. But if you want that skin tight look, you're gonna shave up after that, and that gives you that skin tight look. But we're using a trimmer, same principle applies. We're gonna have the flat part against our skin. Now, to get under your chin, you're gonna pull your bottom lip in. All right, looking good. Next, we're gonna be doing these nasty nose hairs. So what we're gonna do to get those is we're gonna take the corner of the trimmer and get right here in the corner of the nose. Quick tip, if you flare out your nose, it'll push out the hairs a little further. Next, we're gonna check our earlobes. As we get older, yes, we get hair on our ears. So that's how I shave my beard with a trimmer. One extra step that I like to take is I have my own pair of hair clippers, and I'll take them and I'll trim it up here around the top of my ear, just following the ear line. And then last, we're gonna talk about cleanup. Don't leave your sink looking like this. And also, don't wash all of this down the drain because you'll eventually clog up your drain. So how I take care of this is I'll go in with some just toilet paper, and I'll wipe that all up. And I'll get as much as I can, scoop that up as much as possible. So that's how I shave my beard using a trimmer. Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments below. If you're curious about any of the products that I just used, there will be links in the description below as well. And if you're gonna continue your shave with a razor, I also have a video about shaving using the Dollar Shave Club razors, and you can check that out over here.